Welcome to Chillin with the Chisholms. This video is going to be super quick. This was like the easiest meal I've ever made in my life. So I picked up these tortillas and I'm using some of the leftover Velveeta cheese. And this is some chicken fajitas that I picked up from Walmart. They were already in the bag. All you had to do was just throw them on the skillet, sizzle them up real good, and you are ready to go. So now I'm just gonna put the tortilla on the pan to heat it up a little bit. Then I'm going to take my cheese. I'm gonna put these little slices on one side. And make sure you guys give us some comments of some things that you want us to cook. So after I put the cheese and that last little drop on there, and as you can see, when I'm cooking by myself, I just went ahead and used the styrofoam plates, y'all. But I'm going to take some of the chicken and put on top of the cheese. And you can lay it however you want to lay it. You can just dump it on there, or you can make sure it's all horizontal or all vertical, however you see fit. Now during this whole process, the eye is on, so that cheese is kind of heating up under there. So now that I have all of the chicken on there, I'm going to fold the tortilla. Going to fold it, okay. And then I'm going to flip it over, okay. So I put the cheese on the bottom and the chicken on top, because when I flip it over, that cheese is going to like melt down to the other side. And when I tell you, it was good. So this is quick and easy. Of course, you can pair it with like a little salad, like with the little lettuce shavings or sour cream and all that good stuff, but it was amazing. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and leave us some suggestions so that we can get on here and cook for y'all, okay? I will see you guys later, and until next time, we'll be chilling.